अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारे एक डिपिट ने हमें एक बॉक्स भेजा है और क्योंकि डिपिट सॉसेस की है तो इसमें डिपिट के सॉसेस हो सकते हैं, मर्च, हमें कुछ नहीं अभी पता।
Maybe keychains, pocket bags, or something like that. Yeah. Or maybe even
Who
shirts.
knows? So let's open this up.
So I'm gonna take this
tape.
tape. The box is so good.
Yeah, I
So
like
let's
the design.
open it up.
Let's open it. 3
Wait, what do you think it will be?
sauces. 3. Right. Okay.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's a lot of sauces. Oh, and I
So
see some
over here.
fabric.
Oh my
Alright,
god.
let's just take these out.
Oh, I don't think. Lay them down or something.
So
Should you open the bubble wrapping?
let's just take
Oh,
out.
okay. We'll
Okay, that's nice.
garlic mayo.
Spicy mayo.
Oh yeah, I was right about the merch. T-shirt.
2. Hey.
They're polo t-shirts.
It also has the Dipitt logo on it.
Logo. He-
Okay, so we're just gonna open these things up and we'll see when it's done. What else do you have there?
I don't
I got the Thousand Island.
oyster sauce, but I can't.
There you go. So Thousand Island. Let's just open up this one.
One.
Alright.
It should be easy from here, shouldn't it?
Alright. So
What? Is there more tape somewhere? I don't understand.
this is a lot of packaging.
True. It's like days of packaging or something. I got myself a pair of scissors, and now Lada has them, so I can just pull this out. Oh my god, it's wrapped so good.
Yeah. I like it.
Oh yeah. I like how they keep the seal on
A different
the thing,
color.
the same color as the.
It's like a theme for every sauce. It's purple, orange, black.
Foreign.
Okay, and then it's the last one. Open it. This is very. Okay, got it.
There's tape at the top, so like you
Yeah.
unwrap the tape.
Fifth sauce right here, and that is the sweet Thai chili sauce.
It's like Thanos' 3 Infinity Gems.
Okay, so look at all this. We got 2 different mayos. This is the spicy mayo, and this is the garlic mayo. And then there are 5 different sauces, which are, what is this one? Thousand Island, smoky barbecue sauce, sweet Thai chili sauce,
Oyster sauce and
honey mustard.
honey mustard sauce.
And these 2 amazing polo shirts with the Dipitt logo. They're amazing.
Oh my god, they
I
also
love
have this
that.
thing at the back.
And they have like, so cool.
So let's see what's fitting on the back.
So it's basically
Chili-
all the different
oh,
types of
it's all-
sauces with
yeah.
the Dipitt logo.
Chili, garlic, tobacco, hot sauce, smoky barbecue, chipotle.
So we got Dipitt polo t-shirts.
And all the sauce flavors are at the back. So
Yeah,
it's so amazing.
it's really cool.
And the Dipitt
I love the
logo
red color.
is like seamless.
So we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.
These shirts are amazing, and I love Dipitt sauces.
Bye. Dipitt ने हमें 5 different sauces भेजी है. 2 different mayo sauces और एक है spicy mayo और एक है garlic mayo और उनकी red Dipitt polo t-shirts भी भेजी है और ये सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा है. Thank you Dipitt, आपने हमें भेजा है और हम आपको अपनी next video में मिलते हैं. Bye.